Hey guys, it's DD1 here on Gemmy Master Metronics, and today I actually am doing a tabletop review for the first time in a while, but this is another really awesome item right here. So this is probably going to be the rarest of all of the eyeball doorbells. This is the Grandinroad exclusive one. It's the brass eyeball doorbell, and it is $25 plus shipping, but I found the 20% off coupon, and funny enough, if you do that, it's basically 25 ships, so you get free shipping. But that is a lot for one, although even the normal ones go for like 30 something bucks on eBay. But yeah, this is really awesome. And so today I got this along with the Black Flowing Ghosts for 2017 and another item that is new old stock. It's really awesome that I will have not reviewed yet, but I will do that after I make this video. So you're probably looking at this like, well, it's a box. Well, the thing is it doesn't come in like this is the box. Like, this came inside of a shipping box. This is the actual thing. So there's not really a way to like stand it up. So I'll go ahead and slide out the box, but just one-handed, like a pro. So yeah, funny enough, it's on the back. So 3, 2, 1, here we go. Look at this thing. This honestly looks really cool. So, and it's also a lot heavier than the first one. So this was made May 2017. I know that's blurry, I apologize. But yeah, really cool. And the mechanism, makes some weird sounds it's not supposed to, but it's a quiet designed mechanism, and it's heavier, so it's built better for sure. But yeah, so it's just really cool how it's got this brass color to it. Some would say it's gold, but there's already a gold and black one. And it says brass on Grandinroad. So yeah, this is the brass eyeball doorbell, Gemmy 2017, really cool. I would recommend coughing up the extra few dollars to get one of these, because anything from Grandinroad is extremely rare, even after 1 year. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, anything. Like, think about the 2011 Dr. Shivers. Those are extremely hard to find now. And if you find one, they're like double or triple what they were on Grandinroad. So this was 25, so it'll be like, this can even be like 50 bucks in 1 or 2 years. So I would recommend coughing up the extra few dollars and getting one. Just going ahead and getting that purchase out of the way before you buy other things that are in stores, because yeah. But yeah, so this is really awesome, and I'm actually going to try and prop it up here. Okay, nope. Nope. Okay, there we go. So it says push to ring, and yeah. This is only activated by the button, but without further ado, we'll demonstrate it for you. So yeah, mine's making weird noises, but it works, and it's built better. Like, the movements are a lot slower and more realistic. That may even be a wire that's making that sound. It's cool how it does that with the camera whenever I activate it. Let me put in the lights so you can actually see the whole thing. Yeah, this is just really cool, and I'm really glad I got it, because they're going to be sold out soon probably, and yeah, this is just really cool. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review. I think I'm the first person to actually own this one. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.